Hey everyone! Alright, the final countdown is on. The Essentia ICO is on its way. And in today's video, we're going to show you how you will be able to participate in the Essentia ICO from your Essentia wallet. So, let's begin, as always, from the official Essentia website, Essentia.one. And we can click right here to go to our members area. It's this little symbol here of a person. We click on that, and you would normally be prompted to enter your email and password, but I've already done that a priori. So I go immediately to the members area. So the members area is composed of a number of different elements, and we can go over them together. On the top here we have the countdown timer, and this little timer here is for a generic or general user. So for a user who hasn't performed any tasks, they have 6 days, 12 hours, 10 minutes, and 30 seconds left till the ICO. But this particular account had performed a number of tasks, basically sharing on different platforms, and was given a 10-minute advantage per task. So in a grand total, you can save up to 90 minutes or an hour and a half for an ICO. And given the amount of attention we've been blessed with from the blockchain community here at Essentia, every minute's going to count. So this person has, or this account actually has, an hour and a half saved on it. So it's 6 days, 10 hours, 49 minutes, and 55 seconds. So this account is, of course, for the purpose of this video, so it hasn't been KYC verified, but of course only verified accounts can participate. So it would be green here and it says verified. You have your referral link, which you could share with people, and then everyone who signed up under your referral link will be listed here, and that has its own reward, up to 3% bonus mentioned here for the amount of investments. And of course you have the different contacts you can get from the different social media channels that Essentia currently has. So once this timer goes down to 0 and the ICO is fully underway, the contributing address will be available. And this is the only place where you will receive the contributing address. We will never share it with you via email or on social media. Please be warned, scammers do exist in the crypto community, and you have to keep yourself safe. Please only use the contributing address from the members area. This is an extremely important point. So once you do have your contributing address from the members area, from your personal members area, you can send the Ether from there. And of course, what better way to do it than with your Essentia wallet? So we can do this from Essentia, and I've taken the liberty of logging into my Essence here. So you would of course go to app.essentia.one, or you could do it through the official website, and then you can log into your Essence. I've already done that. We have, of course, the first screen. We can go to our Launchpad, of course, and see the different dApps that have been integrated. But what you really need is the wallet. So we go here to the wallet, and then from the wallet, got it? From the wallet, you can send your Ethereum. So of course, you click on Ethereum, you have your Ethereum wallet. You can choose to send the Ethereum. So of course, you'll have your contributing address, the amount you'd like to send. Of course, you have your range that you KYC'd for. The gas limit has been put to 250,000 as a recommended value, and you can generate the transaction. And that'll be the way you can contribute to the Essentia wallets, or to the Essentia ICO via your wallet. And then, of course, when the tokens are issued, they will be registered here once the Essentia token is live, and will be immediately integrated into your Essentia wallets. So this is a very secure way, especially if you do it through your hardware wallet, which has been fully supported on the dApp. And then you're done. You have your contributing address, you submitted your Ether through your Ethereum wallet from your Essentia wallets, and you're perfectly set to go. This has been a very quick walkthrough for the ICO. Of course, if you have any issues, feel free to reach out to us. We have our support form here with your name, your email, and your message. We have our dedicated team who will go through these messages and get back to you as urgently as possible. Thank you very much.